Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to remove this crank, this window crank. You're going to need a special tool to remove this. Keep in mind the position of the crank when we take it off. You can either make a little mark or put a piece of tape there, or just remember where it goes. The tool, you're going to go in this side. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky. And I got it out. The way the tool works, it slides in, moves up on this clip, and spreads it, and then you can pull it out. We'll install this washer for where the window crank goes. And then for the window crank, you want to make sure that this retainer is in this position. If it's pushed out a little bit, you're going to push it back on. Bring it over here, line it up in the location where it was before, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.